Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you my fidget collection. I personally love fidgets. They're so fun to doodle with and play with. So come with me to show you my fidget collection. The first thing I wanted to show you was my puppet. So I love puppets. I have mini puppets. I'm a big fan of mini puppets. These are my mini puppets. So first is my mini puppet. Here, these little. I love this little tiny miniature puppet. It's so cute. Now this one. This is a blue ice cream puppet. I love its little pops and have such good ASMR. The next mini puppet is this dinosaur one. Ready? Hear this. So good. Next is this pretty one. This is my favorite. So cute. Now let's move on to pop tubes. Pop tubes are very loud, very fun, and very funky. So guys, I've got these 3 little pop tubes. They're the mini ones. And by the way, all these fidgets are from Kmart. These were from a 20-piece fidget tub, and it's so cool. Thank you, Kmart, so much. I love your fidgets there. And let's show you these. And then now the big ones. So cute. And then now I'm going to show you my wacky tracks. So this is my wacky track. Hear that little crackle. I love wacky tracks. They are so cute to play with and they're so fun. Next, I'm going to do my ASMR fidgets. So first, I've got this little doodly snake. Hear that? And then it's basically the same thing, but it's a little snail. I love doing this. Click, click, click. Okay, next I'm going to do, I've got this cool Rubik's Cube. I like to play around with it. It's really fun to just doodle with. And I really like this actually. Next, I have my squishies. Squishies, 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 squishies. I love squishies. So let's show you. I really want to go my squishy collection. So first, it's kind of like a mochi, but it's like a taba squishy. It's a mini taba squishy. It's very sticky. It's a little piece of cake. It's so cool. And I've got this little mochi, and it's a little turtle. And then, do you know the viral dumplings? They came out with Easter ones for Easter, and I got this back in Easter 2025, and they've got little faces on them. They've kind of dissolved, but look, it's like an actual Nido. So I really wanted the dumpling, but I couldn't find it, but I found these. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's the chicken version of the dumpling. And hear that. So cute. And then I got these were from Kmart. They came in like a little fruit salad pack. They came with an orange, a banana. I'm not sure where they went, but I've still got these 2. They kind of sound different. I love this one. This one's my favorite. So cute. I love Kmart. Pray for them. Okay, anyway, Oh, here's my other wacky track. I've got these rare, legendary, epic little robots. I've got 2 of them. Let me just, it's a 3-in-1. So first, a little thing, then a dimple, and then a fidget spinner. How cool! And then we've got this other mochi. It's like a little bit deflated. I like doing this, see that? So cute. And then I got this cute little clay slime. It's like really nice and it smells like blueberries. I like playing with it. It's so cute and the color's my favorite, blue. Next I got this infinity cube. Do you love infinity cubes? Let me know because I love them. Oh my gosh. Next, we got our monkey noodle. First, we got a furry one with a little unicorn. So pretty. You think it's a normal unicorn? What the hell? Okay, now we got a normal neon little monkey noodle. So cute. Woo, woo. Anyway, now we've got this dimple. This is a 2-in-1. Hear that? So cute, and look at that. I could stare at that for ages. Okay, now I've got these zipper bracelets. Now this is it closed. I personally love zipper bracelets because you can literally wear them anywhere and they're so fashionable. Now I've got a slinky, boop. And then, last but not least, my puppet bracelet. If you guys are wondering what was my favorite, they are probably these little chickens and then probably these. Because you know me, my weakness is definitely squishies. And if you didn't know, I love making blind bags and homemade squishies, and I made this little glow recipe mist. I love glow recipe to you. Anyway, bye. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye. Like the video too.